Lines and angles. Some basic definitions which you have already learned in previous classes are given below. Point. A point is the smallest shape in geometry. It has no length and breadth, but it exists. A point is named by a single capital letter. We read it as point P. Line. A straight figure having no endpoints is called a line. We cannot measure its length because it is endless. A line is named by using two capital letters as line PQ or line PQ. A line can also be named by using a single small letter like L. Ray. A ray is a part of a line with one endpoint only. It starts at a point called the initial point or origin of the ray and extends endlessly in the other direction. We cannot measure its length as it extends infinitely. A ray is named by using two capital letters as AB. Line segment. A line segment is a part of a line. It has two endpoints and has limited length which can be measured. A line segment is named by using two capital letters as line AB. Parallel, intersecting and perpendicular lines. Parallel lines. Two lines on a plane surface which never meet each other are called parallel lines. The distance between two parallel lines always remains the same. Here, distance PQ and RS is same between two parallel lines, or PQ is equal to RS. Intersecting lines. When two lines cut each other at a point, they are called intersecting lines. Here, line P intersects line Q at O point. O is called the point of intersection of lines P and Q. Perpendicular lines. When two lines intersect each other at 90-degree angle, the lines are said to be perpendicular to each other. Line A is perpendicular to line B. Line BA is perpendicular to line BC. Ray BA is perpendicular to ray BC. PQ to line segment RS. Line segment PQ is perpendicular to line segment RS. Angle. The concept of angle came into existence with the need to measure the amount of the rotation of the rays. Suppose a horizontal ray OA starts rotating about its end point OA, its initial position. Suppose it keeps rotating till it reaches the final position OA dash, and OA dash forms an angle in between, the measure of which gives the amount of rotation of the ray. Let us now define an angle geometrically and study its various parts. Definition. Two rays having a common endpoint form an angle. The two rays forming an angle are called the arms of the angle. The common endpoint of the two rays forming an angle is called the vertex of the angle. An angle is denoted by the symbol angle. Naming an angle. An angle is named in two ways using three capital letters, example angle AOB or angle BOA, using one capital letter, example angle O. While naming an angle, the name of the vertex of the angle is always written at the center. Interior and exterior of an angle. Consider an angle BAC. Let us take a point P on ray AB and a point Q on ray AC. We say that the point P and Q lie on angle BAC. Mark a point R inside angle BAC and a point S outside angle BAC. We say that R lies in the interior of angle BAC and S lies in the exterior of angle BAC. The shaded region is the interior of angle BAC. Measuring an angle. An angle is measured in degrees. The symbol for degrees is degree. The special instrument used for measuring an angle is called the protractor. It is a part of the geometrical instruments in a student's geometry box. Observe the protractor in your geometry box. It is shaped like the English letter D. It has two scales, the outer starting with 0 degrees from left and inner starting with 0 degrees from the right. We can use a scale that is convenient for us. To measure an angle, we match the point P to the vertex of the angle. Then we move the protractor to match the ray PB to one of the convenient arm as shown in figure 1. Start counting from 0 at point B till you reach the other arm of the angle. Be careful while measuring. If you do not start counting from 0, you may note the measure 120 degrees from the other scale. We write the measure of the angle as 60 degrees.